friends, here I am explaining about how to check Cat5e cable. This cable is good or not by using this continuity checker we can check. One end we have to cut, one end to we have to total 4 pairs are there: orange white, blue white, blue white, green white, brown white. This we have one end we have to joint here, both we have to joint. And one more thing, this is very important, this green white main communication will happen through this only. Again here we have to joint, and then both we have joint, blue and white, jointing these two pair. Again here brown and white, these two pairs also we have to joint. So we again I am checking after that two pairing jointing. After that we have to, here we have to check continuity. It's another hand we have to check this continuity here in this pair. So orange white pair is this one is very good. And one more I am checking this very green white pair. For light glows means the cable is okay. So green white pair also okay. Again blue white pair I am checking now. Green white also okay. Last final we have to check this brown and white. Now the cable is good. We can check bundle cable also by using this continuity checker. Very easy method we can check. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.